My brothers and sisters, I want you to think about this. The Ummah in this world is suffering. It is suffering because of its incapacitation. And we see the suffering of our brothers and sisters in Gaza. We see the suffering of our brothers and sisters elsewhere. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants you to know that you as an individual are needed. Meaning, He doesn't want you to fall prey to the shaitan's whispers and that you are not important. Every individual is important. Even the disabled Muslim is important. Even the disabled person who has a good heart and wants to do good, even if they're not Muslim, they are important. Abdullah ibn Maktoum radiyallahu anhu was a blind man at the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was a companion who was blind. You heard of him in Surah Abasa wa Tawalla an ja'ahu al-a'ma. He frowned and turned away from him when the blind man came to him, to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was a disabled person, yet he'd never let his disability make him believe that he's lower than the rest. Nor did the Prophet ﷺ, nor the community around him ever made him feel the slightest feeling that he was lesser or incapacitated than anyone else. And even when the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ turned away from him and frowned, meaning he wants the other people's attention, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reprimanded the Messenger ﷺ, and he went back and said, welcome to the one whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminded me about. He made him the mu'adhin of Fajr. Belal radiallahu anhu was the mu'adhin of al-Fajr al-Kadhib, meaning, you know how when in the middle of the night before Fajr by about half an hour, there's a bit of light, a twilight, and then it goes away. That's called al-Fajr, the lying Fajr. So there's two adhans, used to be. Belal radiallahu anhu would make the first adhan, Abdullah ibn Maktoum, the blind man, would make the second adhan, the real adhan. And how is he supposed to see the sunlight? He would estimate that Rasulullah ﷺ did not take him off his post of the mu'adhin of Medina. And when in the battle of Uhud, I think, or another battle, the Muslims were suffering and the flag was about to fall, the raya, the flag of the Muslims. Well, if the flag falls, that's 50% of the defeat of an army, because the morale falls. They think they've been defeated once the flag falls. So Abdullah ibn Maktoum used his ability, whatever he can, of the other blessings that Allah had given him. Even though he couldn't use his eyes, he used the rest of his body. He used his ears, he used his senses, and he used his hands, and he said, give me the flag, I will carry the stand. He carried it. And he was inconspicuous because the enemy doesn't look for a person who's not fighting. They look at the person who's fighting him. Abdullah ibn Maktoum is blind. He couldn't fight because he couldn't see, but he carried the flag, which was the victory result of the Muslims. No. Allah nor His messengers ever told us nor taught us to look down on anybody, even the physically handicapped. Everyone has a place and a role and an ability, and we as a community need to understand that. It doesn't matter who you are, man or woman, you have a purpose. Whatever skill you have, even if it's as small as the Ethiopian woman at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, who nobody knew her name. Nobody, till today, wallahi, in all the narrations of hadith, we don't know her name. Why? The name is not the most important thing. The name is for Allah. We're all going to die and our names are going to be forgotten. But the work that you leave behind, the legacy, is what is remembered, your a'mal, your actions. Who is the one that has to remember you? Allah. And that's the most important thing. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Al-Munafiqun, that He writes your name في عليين كلا إن كتاب الأبرار لفي عليين وما أدراك ما عليون كتاب مرقوم يشهده المقربون. Behold, without a doubt, those who do righteous actions and are of piety, their name and their mention is in the highest records. And what would you know of what the highest records are? They are in the highest places. The most highest of His creation witness it and look at it. Imagine the angels reading your name, although the people in this world may not know your name. Isn't that what you want? That Ethiopian woman was not known what her name is, but she used to clean in the masjid, just pick up little things in the masjid. When she died, they buried her in the middle of the night because of the hot weather in that place. They didn't have mortuaries, they didn't have fridges, they didn't have all that stuff. Before the body decays, it was honorable to bury them so they can bury them while being preserved. That's an honor for the human body. When the Prophet ﷺ arrived at Fajr, he noticed something different. Immediately he clicked. Rasulullah ﷺ was very sensitive. He knew all the people around him. Where is that woman? The woman who cleans the masjid said, Wallahi ya Rasulullah, she died and we buried her last night. He got frustrated. He said, I told you to tell me. He said, Ya Rasulullah, you were asleep. We didn't want to bother you. He said, take me to her grave. Don't you know that my dua reaches them and that it enlightens and brightens their graves, meaning wherever they are. He went to her grave out of his way to make dua for her, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So my brother and sister, I can keep going on and on. But what matters now is that the shaitan, he knows this. But he'll come to each and every one of your minds and tells you, you are a loser. You're not wanted, you're not important, you're a mistake. Look at your parents, look at your friends, look at your job, look at your money, look at the people around you, look at your reputation, look at your body, look at you, look at your weight, look at your children, look. And he makes you focus with your brain on everything that's going wrong. لِيَحْزُنَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, in order to cause grief and sadness upon those who believe, because sadness and grief debilitates you. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us over and over again in the Quran about the blessings which He gave you.